Hi guys, so we are gonna make a construction theme cake. Okay, kids they're really into these dump trucks and excavators and stuff. So yeah, let's make something for somebody who likes that. Again, it's not super complicated, it's simple, easy, it's doable. It justifies the theme, and yeah, anybody can do it. If you can make a cake, you can make this cake because I'm gonna start cake round. I'm gonna be making this a taller one, so it's gonna be 3 layers. So outside the color is gonna be different. I used Oreo because it kind of looks like mud. So make a border, fill it up. Okay. Another one. This cake is running away. It's yucky. Okay, so you fill this up. I haven't melted this buttercream, that's why it looks like it's so thick. But it's a nice buttercream, it's just that I haven't melted it. Here's, okay, that's that. It's a construction cake. What color do you think is going to be outside? Any guesses? It's going to be yellow. Maybe you must have seen it in the picture as well. Please make sure that you're using lemon yellow. Right. You're using lemon yellow and not golden yellow, because golden yellow is going to give you a whole different look. Okay, to you guys. I think I'll melt it a little bit. It's feeling a little stiff on my hand. It's not that stiff. Okay. But for safety, I'm going to put it up. I'm going to use this tip. It's multi-pointy tip, or the sharp teeth. So put that inside. I have not made this design before. I'm just making it impromptu. So I have something in mind. Let's see how that comes out. The back can burst. I cut way too much. Let's see if it bursts. You see, this is at an angle. Boing. So I'm gonna, first of all, gonna straighten it. Okay, it's going straight. Then we start. Already burst. I just stepped on a blob of buttercream and now everything is very sticky. That's the top. Sorry, I forgot to talk. So you do the 3 things on the side. Put buttercream on the top. So because the cake was at an angle, you see there's it's already at an angle. I'm gonna try and push it, but because everything is frozen and it has real butter, it's difficult to bring it back like that. Just gonna quickly work with it. But as you guys know, this is a construction cake. Construction places are messy, so don't worry about it. We have all the tricks to hide this, okay? Clean the board. I am in a little bit of a dilemma. I think I'm just gonna go with what comes naturally to me. Okay, so that's the base of the cake. Now, I told you it's a construction cake. So we're gonna cut. I'm gonna cut here. Okay, like a V. Of the cake. You can eat it. So that's your cake. Now you can take your yellow buttercream or your Oreo buttercream, whatever you like. I think it's better to stick with the yellow. And you fill it in. Okay. Now that you have that little wedge, crushed Oreos. Now make sure that you're able to put it in properly. It's okay if it falls. It's a construction cake, so don't worry about it, okay? You can get messy. There's nothing wrong about this. So you have that, and you have a pile of mud over here. Okay, that's because, oh, it's falling. Everything is falling. It's a landslide. You can make up whatever story you want. It's your cake, okay? There's a little landslide and things are falling. Then what do we have? We have drop it over here. I'm just gonna add it over here, okay? One thing. One second. I don't want the same everything on the top, so I'm gonna do one thing. We are gonna move the dump truck right here now. I'm just pushing the dump truck into the cake a little bit. Okay, now we have some buttercream. Why is there buttercream over there? Because I want to add more Oreos on top. It's a dump truck, right? Please remember, you're gonna take this cake. If you're making it for someone, you're gonna take it. So in the car, you don't want the Oreo crumbs to move everywhere. So it is best that you put some buttercream on the base and then sprinkle, cover the whole thing with Oreos. So the Oreos are also gonna stick and you won't have a you won't have a construction mess in your delivery truck, delivery van, car, whatever you have. Okay, that's that. Now, so that's that. We're gonna add some things now because I feel creative and I'm a cake decorator, so of course I need to add some cake elements to this as well to make it look even nicer. Turned out really good. I feel like making some cake elements. So what are we gonna start? We're gonna start with some drips over here. Some drips are gonna be longer than the rest. This one's a little long. I think I need to make a short one. Yeah, now it's balanced. Have some drips over here. Now it's time for some more magic. It is totally up to you. You can leave the cake where it is right here. You don't need to do this, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna use a petal tip, okay, the yellow and put yellow in it. There you go. That's the construction cake.